I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to care for frizzy hair. First, let's talk about gentle cleansing. It's crucial to use a sulfate-free shampoo, as harsh sulfates can strip your hair of its natural oils, leading to more frizz. Aim to wash your hair only 2 or 3 times a week to keep it moisturized. Always finish your wash by rinsing with cool water. This helps to seal the hair cuticle, locking in moisture and reducing frizz. Next, hydration is key for managing frizz. Incorporate a deep conditioning treatment into your routine once a week. This provides intense moisture that your hair craves. When detangling, always do so gently on wet hair, preferably with a wide-tooth comb, starting from the ends and working your way up. Allow your conditioner to sit for about 5 to 10 minutes to ensure maximum absorption and benefit. Now, let's discuss smart styling and drying techniques. After washing, apply an anti-frizz serum or cream evenly through your damp hair. This creates a barrier against humidity. When drying, try to air dry your hair as much as possible. If you must use a blow dryer, attach a diffuser and use it on a low heat setting to minimize disruption to the hair cuticle. Never rub your hair vigorously with a towel. Finally, protecting and maintaining your frizz-free hair is essential. Consider sleeping on a silk or satin pillowcase. Its smooth surface reduces friction, which can cause frizz overnight. Also, try to avoid overbrushing your dry hair, as this can disrupt the cuticle and lead to more frizz. Regular trims, about every 8 to 12 weeks, will help remove split ends and keep your hair looking healthy and smooth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.